Welcome to solverfy.
For this problem, we are told that the true population proportion of Ph.D. students with paid assistantships is 60%. A study is conducted with a sample size of 50 and a result of 26, whereas 26 of the Ph.D. students studied have paid assistantships. Let's start by identifying our claim. Our null hypothesis is that the true population proportion is 60.6. But our alternative, what we are trying to test, is whether or not the true population proportion is different than 0.6. To start, we must find our critical value. We know we have a significance level of 0.05, and since this here is not equal to, we have a two-tailed test. So we find that our critical value is plus or minus 1.96. Next, we need to find our test values. So we'll start by finding our sample proportion, which is equal to x over n, which is equal to 26 over 50, which is equal to 0.42. Sorry, 52. Now we need to find our z value. Z is equal to p hat minus p for the square root p times 1 minus p over n. This here is our standard deviation equation. And when we calculate that, we start by having 0.52 minus 0.60 over the square root of 0.6 times 0.4 over 50. And we find that that is equal to negative 1.15. So now we need to make our decision. We'll do this by graphing. We have a normal curve with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. We'll draw in our critical value, and I'll shade in our critical region with red and our non-critical region with blue. Now I'm going to write in our test value in green. So we have negative 1.15. So you can see our test value falls within the non-critical region. So we fail to reject the claim. So to summarize, we do not have enough evidence to conclude that the claimed I'm going to just write context here. I wrote it above in blue, so that's where this would go. Of 60%, because that's what their claim was, do not have enough evidence to conclude that that is wrong or false. And that's it for that question.